Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be upgrading the interior lights on the Accord. I'm going to be doing these front ones here, the rear one in the back, as well as the trunk light. I'll show you how the trunk light looks so you can get an idea. It's dark over here, but it doesn't illuminate all that great. You can see, but nothing special. So I'll show you what the bulbs look like. This is the kit here. On my car in particular, I have two dome lights. I'll show you how to pop those out and swap them out. I also have the rear one back there, which is above the back seat. On the 1.5s, it's actually right where the moonroof ends on my car, which is dark, it's hard to see, so you'll have them over here somewhere if you have a 1.5. But these are the bulbs you're gonna need. I'll show you what they look like. I'll pop one out. Give me 1 second. And that's what the bulb looks like. It's got 3 little LEDs on it. One on top, one on each side. So I'm going to show you how to put these in, and I'll show you the difference from how the car looks right now. And then I'll show you the difference after. Okay, so to install these, you have to pry from the inside outward with a pry tool like this. Might be a little glare because it's dark, but you basically pry out like that, and the little housing comes right out. The bulb is probably hot because it's been on for a while, but it's cold, so I'm just going to pull it out. Yep. Burning myself, bulb was out, but it's pretty hot, so I'm going to get that out of my fingers as quickly as possible. Now the new bulb goes in just like that. Wow, that's a big difference. Oh my God. And then you put your cover back on. There's going to be 2 little notches. And that's it. There's already a huge difference on how bright the car is with just one of those bulbs in. So I'm going to repeat the process for the other side, and then I'll show you how to get the other one in. You see, this is the other side I'm doing. You get the little notches there. They just line up right up here, which might be hard to see. This little notch there and there. Actually, it's right here. I don't know if you can see it that well. There it is. Those are going to go up into there, like so. And that's it. Pops in, good to go. Okay, now we're on to the back one. Just angle that camera for you. Now you're going to be getting it out from the back forward. You should put your pry tool in here. If I can get a better angle, I got car seats in here. And it's a little dark, so it's hard to see. But you get your pry tool right in between the plastic, and you pull it down like so. It just comes right out. The bulb goes in this way, so you got to just yank it out that way. It's probably pretty hot once again, so I got to be very careful not to burn my fingers. There we go. Bulb is out. And I'll put the other one in. Okay, it went dark for a little while, but the other one is in. You're going to take your cover the same way you took it off. Put the front side in first and the back side in last. It should just click right in. Make sure it's all lined up. That's it. Now the back one's in. And look at the difference. Here's the front. Could actually see in the car now. Everything's nice and bright. So that's only 3 bulbs so far, and the back is 1. So I believe they sent me the extra 2 is because the 1.5, like I was saying, requires 1 more bulb, so you're still going to have an extra. So let's get onto the trunk. Now we're at the trunk with the OEM light. I'm just going to bring another light in because I'm not going to be able to show you guys this with that really bad light. But this is a very easy one to do. To get this one out, you're gonna put your finger in on top. There's a little bit of a clip that you're gonna push down on. There it is. These little metal clips right here. I'll show you when I pull it out. You're gonna unplug that. And if you look, try to show you better with this light. They're actually not even metal, they're plastic, but they push in a little bit. These right there. They push in a little bit against here. So you're basically pushing them in from the top side. So now we're going to replace the bulb in there with the Lasfit bulb. You're going to just be popping this out. Move the light to the other side so you can see a little better. Be popping this one out just like so. The Lasfit bulb is going to install the same way the factory one went in, like so. Plug it in, and boom, nice and bright. Tuck this back in, and that's that. I'm going to turn my light off now. And that's the difference for the trunk now. You're able to see in it before you couldn't. So that's a huge upgrade as far as lighting is concerned. Just 4 little bulbs, pretty simple. Not much to it. So guys, if you can, I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to purchase these bulbs, I have a link in the description. And I also offer a 10% discount if you use my name, DanVilla, on the link that I'm going to provide you. So this is it. That's the trunk. And that's what it looks like inside compared to before. Huge, huge improvement. Huge improvement. Thanks for watching. Oh, and before I go, I have another product to show you. Just give me one moment. Yes, so I'm going to be installing these in our Durango. I know it's a little different for the channel to do anything to the Durango that we have, but Lasfit sent me these lights. These are actually LED switchback lights, which are pretty cool. You won't necessarily be able to use them on an Accord, but if you have another car, these are actually pretty cool. Basically, they will go from 3000K, which is yellow, to 6000K, which is white, just by flickering them on and off. So it's a dual mode bulb, which is pretty cool. So those are going to be going in Durango. I'm going to be doing an install video on these as well, just to show off some of their products. So once again, guys, if you can, I appreciate if you would like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.